Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Casabrews Espresso Machine CM5418. It might have a tongue-twisting name, but does it deliver great coffee? Let's find out. Let's start with the design. The Casabrews CM5418 sports a compact and classic look. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, it features stainless steel and plastic construction. The machine comes in various colors, allowing you to match it to your kitchen decor. In the box, you'll find the essentials: a tamper and cleaning tools. However, the tamper is a bit flimsy, which might affect how tightly you can pack your coffee grounds. Moving on to performance, the Casabrews does a commendable job for its price. It produces hot and flavorful espresso shots consistently. However, it falls short on creating a rich crema compared to more expensive models due to its 20-bar pump system. The espresso quality is good, though it struggles with superfine grounds. If you're using very fine coffee, you might face issues with extraction. Steaming milk with the Casabrews is a bit more involved. It requires pressing the steam button, waiting for it to stabilize, and adjusting the knob manually. This process isn't as seamless as pricier machines, and it can be a bit noisy. So, should you buy the Casabrews Espresso Machine CM5418? If you're on a budget and looking to enjoy decent espresso at home without breaking the bank, it's a solid choice. However, if you're a coffee aficionado seeking top-tier crema and ease of use, you might want to consider higher-end options like the Breville Bambino Plus. That wraps up our review of the Casabrews CM5418 espresso machine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on home appliances and gadgets. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.